So, hello everyone. Welcome to this new video episode for all the Deep Astro Universe subscribers and other natives. Whosoever is going to watch this, this is for you. How will be your 2025? So, let's begin with the 2025 Lagnas and their predictions. So, here, as you can see, this is the chart. This is the chart for Aries Lagna. Here you can see how the things are changing for the Aries Lagna in the year 2025. We can clearly make out, as you can see in this chart, that how precisely in the year your Lagna, Lord Mars, will be transiting from the fourth house, that is its debilitation sign, Cancer, from the first day of January. So it's very critical. You have to understand this, that it's really a transit where you will see the whole year. This Mars will somewhere help you in the area related to real estate or any property related or accessories or vehicle related, because it's not just debilitated in the beginning of the year, your Lagna Lord, but is even retrograde. So it is more so ever behaving like an exalted Mars. So beginning of the year, your Lagna Lord is starting its journey from fourth house. Some difficulties definitely to your mother, health issues will remain throughout the year. So you have to be take precaution for that. Then it is detrimental for your, mental health. Some disturbances, fights, or something issues can happen in your home life, or even can disturb your mental health. So throughout this year, three major problems you are going to focus on, that is accident, that is your health issue, accident, your mother's health issue, your mental peace and home life will remain disturbed this year, whole year, because the journey of Mars is starting from the fourth house where it gets debilitated, plus it is retrograde. So it is more so ever behaving like a exalted Mars. So an exalted Mars will give you good effects also. So here its effect will be impactful in those areas, like if you want to buy some property, vehicle, real estate matters, there you can do something. Even it will help you in renovation of home, in all those things. So this is how the journey of your 2025 be, because your Lagna Lord is starting its journey from the fourth house, which is also your eighth house Lord. Now, if I talk about the major transits that are happening, one is Saturn, which is currently there in the 11th house, Lord of your 10th and 11th house. And it will shift to 12th house on March end and will make a conjunction with Rahu over there for a short duration. And after that, Rahu will enter in the sign of Aquarius in May. So that will be another transit. And in May itself, only Jupiter will also enter your third house Gemini sign. So these are the major transits. So let's talk about it. Because Saturn is about to enter your Pisces sign in the 12th house. So mind it, there are major events that are going to be focused towards the foreign lands. Okay, you might travel there in this year. After March end, you will start seeing opportunities from foreign lands or some far away places, like even from different states, for maybe for your career or for advancements in your career. Even one can go to foreign lands and even MNCs. This will be major transformative time for you all. Now, mind it, there's one click over here, because March end till May end, approximately, you will see Saturn and Rahu are making a combination. It's like a conjunction only. And that is happening in the Pisces sign. in the 12th house, where most of the planets will also remain. We see Sun, Venus, Mercury will all go there, even Moon. So many planets being there for 2 months, it's the major concern for Aries Lagna people or even moon sign, because in the 12th house, it's talking about the losses, definitely losses. Loss of what? So many planets are coming. So, loss of health, loss of money, loss of energy, even your someone near dear one can also go away from you. So these are the circumstances, not in a bad way go away from you, but even in a good way, someone close to you may go far away from his or her birthplace for earning or for education. This could be also the reason, or someone can die also if the age is there or some bad dasha is there. And even uh, it's it's talking about the hospitalization also. So this is the major events I'm focusing for the Aries Lagna Rashi people. If you notice, when May will end, by the end of May, Saturn will remain in the 12th house. Rahu will come in the 11th house where it feels comfortable. It's Aquarius sign. It's a co-ruler of Aquarius sign. And somewhere you will even see that Rahu being in the Aquarius sign, Saturn being in the, 12th house, and along with that Jupiter in the third house. This is the combination of someone traveling for some major events related to gains, or some major social event that is happening. Okay, that is also possible, because somewhere you will see this Jupiter, while it is transiting in the Gemini sign, it is talking about some travels, because it's the ninth and 12th house lord, for education or for your skill development, or you are going to learn something out of it, but there will be some travels and lot of communication. This is the time when your younger siblings can see promotion in their life, promotion in the form of career development, marriage, or even educational promotion. Even this is a good time for your elder siblings also. This is the time when you can see any change or luck rise in your life. Gains will come, marriage opportunities are there. And because Jupiter is becoming atichari, so somewhere you will even see some major events fructifying, because atichari Jupiter will enter its exaltation sign in the month of October, and somewhere for the next 3 months, end months of the year 2025, this Jupiter in the fourth house will bring another major events for you all. So this will be the time when you will see comforts are rising in your life. Maybe some good changes are happening in the life of your mother, in your home life. Maybe you buy a new property, vehicle, all these things, because ultimately happiness is increasing and it is coming from all around. Okay, this will be the major event, and Rahu sitting in the 11th house will make you fulfill all your desires. And whenever Rahu is there in the house of Aquarius, this is a time when you will see boom in the AI, new advanced fields like software engineer, computer science people, AI, ML, data science, data analysts, all these things, all these areas. And Saturn will remain in the 12th house. It wants you to work selflessly towards your karmas, towards your duties, and Rahu will give you lot of ambitions for the Aries people. So this is the major thing that is happening. You just need to take care for the duration by the end of March till the May end 2025. You have to be cautious about those 2 months. Rest, things will start moving ahead from June 2025. It's the best year for you. You must take benefit of this year. And another point is only take care of you and your mother's health. That's it. Rest things looks really good for you. This was for Aries Lagna. Now I will move on to Taurus Lagna. How will be your 2025?